Hi, I'm Maverick, a project expert, and welcome to our FAQ series, Glad You Asked. Today's question is, how can I make my laundry room more efficient? In many homes, the laundry room is more than just a place to wash and dry clothes. It can be used for extra storage, as a mudroom, and even a place to wash the family pet. If it's time to update your laundry area for maximum efficiency, we've got some great ideas to get you started. We're here in our latest laundry room set. We've divided this space into 4 separate zones: a mudroom, a dog wash station, a laundry area, and an office space. Next to the door, we've created a space to help everyone in the house stay organized, whether they're heading off to school, work, or to the park. We've included hooks to hang coats, sports equipment, or backpacks, and we even added a place to sit for changing shoes and boots. This hands-free bottle filling station dispenses refrigerated, filtered water so you can top off everyone's sports bottles on the way out the door. On the other side of the door, we installed a wash station with a hand shower to rinse off muddy work boots or dirty pet paws, and a utility sink to wash your hands and veggies after a day in the garden. Having a wash station near the back door is a great way to keep the mess contained and prevent dirt from getting tracked into the rest of the house. For the laundry area, we installed a front-loading washer and dryer set under the counter and added a bar above, which gives us plenty of room to fold and hang laundry. To save space and reduce clutter, we've installed a pull-out ironing board. On this side of the room, we included a built-in desk, which is the perfect spot for paying bills, doing homework, or working from home. Next to the desk, we added a beverage center to keep drinks and snacks perfectly chilled and close at hand. We've also installed outlets with built-in USB ports to charge your devices. This space features a combination of cabinets and open shelving. This will let you choose which items you want to show off and which ones you want to stash out of sight. Also, these woven baskets can be pulled completely out of the cubbies, so you can easily move items to wherever you need them. These are great for organizing craft supplies, cleaning products, or pet grooming tools. Finally, remember that even a utilitarian space can look great. We added style to this very functional room with mosaic wall tile, luxury vinyl flooring, scrubbable wallpaper, and damp-rated light fixtures. All of these products are beautiful and durable. To learn more about organizing your laundry room and other spaces around your home, check out our buying guides by clicking the link below. And visit us online at build.com to shop for everything you need for your next project. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And tune in next time when we answer another question on Glad You Asked. Thanks for watching.